Gojo fangirls. Like, that's not how the Makima fanboys. Like, that's not how the fucking book works. Lowly hentai watchers. Holy fuck, you were right, Light. Wait, Ryuk, I feel kind of weird, Ryuk. Light, what the fuck are you talking about? This is a utopia. There is literally nothing wrong here. What are you talking about? I don't know, Ryuk. I guess my voice just sounds a little bit different.
What the fuck?
Light, why did your balls just drop 10 billion times? Why is your voice so fucking deep? Like, what the hell is going on
here, like? Why am I Scottish? Like, what the fuck is going on, lad? Why am I Scottish now? Ryuk, I don't know. I'm afraid, Ryuk. I don't know what the fuck is going on, Ryuk. I'm scared. What's happening
to my...
Like, why do you sound like a fucking girl now, laddie? You're a fucking lassie now, lassie, I got me.